So we're riding through some absolutely gnarly ice bumps, straight up fluff in between, rocks poking out, baby. We got a booter down there. I don't know what we're feeling, and I do not know what the landing looks like, so we're gonna go real small on this first one, more than likely. More than likely. Reverse this puppy. Yeah, it's starting to get a little deeper, a little easier to ride down here. Not clicking through as often. Oh, see, this feels pretty solid. Don't trust it though, you got bumps underneath. Oh, it's a wind lip now. Took the combo butter a little too far. Never tried the combo butter and fluff like this. Oh yeah, okay. So we've got a landing at the bottom of this. We can absolutely, okay, we can absolutely boot off that. Or off of these.